Good morning, good evening. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today is the second part of DIY shoes unboxing of cross stitch and a tool that I found on the website. Like they have everything for sewing. They have all the craft like wax, like scrapbook. They customize. They have diamond painting beside cross stitch. They have good sale. They have Black Friday sales. Free shipping is over $49. So we're gonna run a test. I did one, the purple one, and it came out clear, but I got some water over here that I'm gonna have to move when we unbox the cross stitches. So this time, so what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if the white is gonna be seen, but I want to put a little bit of each because I want to use this for when I had to mark the frame, you know. So this is a blue one. I don't see, we can see the white one in here. Yeah, we cannot see it. Okay, so here it is, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna submerge it over here, right? As you can see, it's soluble, so you have to be careful, okay, when marking your clothes, that accidentally you don't wear it. Like in my case, I'm gonna use it for the, and then I gave one to my husband because he's always fixing the seam on his pants that he buys. So that's a good one. So let me put this away, and I'll be right back, and we're gonna proceed for the unboxing, okay? So we are back. I made sure that, you know, nothing is wet over here, if we're gonna deal with the in the first one I got a still life. I'm gonna throw this away. I have a better bag. We got the needles. We got about what, 5 needles, thimble, and a threader in a bird bag that comes with the kits. We're gonna take a look at this later. Oh, I got the floss drops. Woo! First time I get it. So this is an 11 count. Okay. Okay, this is an 11 count, and this is the short. Here is the picture, still live. I got me a sewing machine for the ones that doesn't have the searching around and, you know, to fix other things. So here it is. I like this one, you know, very rustic, very cozy, with the clothes on the back ready to be fixed. The instructions are also on the short. It's in this paper, unbreakable paper, but it's soluble in water, so you don't put water on this one because you're gonna lose the symbol. This is a 49 by 49 centimeters, and it's 190 stitches wide by 190 stitches high, and it has 32 colors. And the symbol and the short is nice and neat, no smudging. Here are the 32 symbols. Usually these symbols are the same for the, in some instances. Let me see. Yep. They are the same in the fabric. The same that is on the chart. So I'm going to put it in another bag that doesn't make that much noise. Okay. So let's take a look at the fabric. This fabric is serged all around, so it won't fray when you are stitching. It's an 11 count. The product code is in there. Over here tells you 49 by 49 centimeters and the number of stitches. Here are the 32 colors, which are the same as the other one. Okay, the background is white. You always have the choice, but in this case I will do it because it seems like it will pop up the colors over here, even though when you watch it it's gonna be white, but you're gonna be seeing all these holes, and I don't like it. I honestly don't like it. The fabric is soft. It's Aida white. It's a new white. It's not that stiff like the other ones. The symbols are very clear. There is no smudging. Thank you, DIY Choose, for these beautiful canvases. The first part and this one. Take a look at this. There's a lot of confetti. I can see that. There is some blocking, especially on the black background. So now let's see the goodies, and these ones are floss drop. So I don't know. I don't like this. I'm not too much of a fan of floss drop, but anyway, I get what they, because I do my own kitting. So now I'm gonna have to do it this way. Let me here they are. Beautiful colors. The background in white. And these are like a retro type of colors because it looks like it's rustic or retro, however you want to call it. Let me turn around. Here they are. I'm trying to, because there's no right or wrong on how to show you this. Okay, these are the colors. So let me put it inside here. So this is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. It's a retro. Thank you, DIY Choose, for this one. Now this bag wants to give me some trouble. Okay, now. Okay, the next one. Oh, the next one is my favorite. It's a cutie. Also came with floss drops. This one we have the tiger, threader, a thimble, and the puff ball with 5 needles. Okay, I didn't see any needles in the other canvas, so I left it over there. And take a look at this one. This is also in 11 count, and it's a 39 by 59. But here it is. Look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. I'm a dog person. I like kittens, but I'm a dog person. Take a look at this. Beautiful. He's looking at mommy. Beautiful. It's a beautiful dog. I would like to have a dog like that. I wonder what breed is that one. Okay. It's on this paper that is unbreakable. Okay. But it's soluble. So if you drop some water on it, and it's gonna fade away. So the instructions for cross stitchings are printed in the paper, and this one is huge. 39 by 59. That dog is gonna look beautiful. And there's a lot of blocking in here. 35 colors. And take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at these symbols. And there's a lot of confetti in here, but also a lot of blocking. It's confetti around here, but it's not that much. It's not confetti party, but you got a lot of background in here. Yep. Background. $35 colors. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, this is huge. This is huge. The fabric is search all around. It's 11 count with the product code, and they is search all around for so you won't fray while you're stitching. The fabric is Ada. It's not that stiff, but it's like a regular one. You know, the colors are over here are the same colors of the short, the same symbols. Okay, you can see over here all the blocking that is going on, that is gonna be going on. And you have some confetti, but it's not that hard. Let me show you. The confetti is not that hard. I usually do, when it's confetti, I do the color, the square colors block, like this blue one first. And then I do the confetti by color. You can see that is, and this is nice. Oh, my doggy, my beautiful doggy. He's gonna be cute, 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 cute. Let's take a look at the floss drops, because he came with floss drops. $35 colors. Let's see how I can do this. So you can see it. You see again, retro colors. Oops, sorry about that, Mickey. Sorry about that, Mickey. Sorry about that, but they are working around. So Here it is. Here are the colors. Beautiful. Muted color because it's a retro picture. But I love that doggy. I love that doggy. Okay. So thank you. While I'm putting this away, thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping company. Okay. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. Hope you have a wonderful. If you haven't subscribed, welcome new subscribers. And welcome all the returning viewers. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free. And hit the like and comment button. It will help the channel. I will appreciate it very much. Okay. So again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.